There's a warm welcome every time at Scandal.
Welcome to Scandals. How may I help you?
The ultimate experience in Caribbean food. Even the legends come to Scandals for their food. For a unique experience in Caribbean takeaway. The home of the good food people. Scandals, good for the food. Hard to beat. The home of the good food people.
Because Scandal's food is high, you know?
Scandal Juices, the ultimate nourishment for your taste buds. The home of the good food people. Monday to Sunday, 7 a.m. till 11 p.m. The home of the good food people. Good service, great food.
Good food.
Scandal Takeaway, unique experience in Caribbean food. The home of the good food people.